Hi guys, I'm Annabelle Knight and you're watching Lovehoney TV, the place where we talk about sex and sex toys so that when you shop at the Lovehoney website, you know what the heck you're doing. This week we are talking about penis pumps. But before I dive in, I've got to remind you to hit that subscribe button so you never miss an episode of Lovehoney TV again. So, penis pumps. Firstly, let's talk a little bit about how they work. So what happens with a penis pump is they create a vacuum inside their chamber which stretches out the penis and draws blood into the chambers within. You should use them for around about 15 minutes before taking a break, and afterwards, if you wish to prolong the effect that the penis pump has had, you should use a cock ring at the base of your penis just to keep your erection enhanced for longer. So the first type of penis pump available is one like this. This is the hand bulb penis pump. It uses a manual method for creating that pressure inside the chamber. Now these are easy on the pocket and easy to use, so they're the pros. However, the cons are that you can get a bit of a dead hand with all this pumping. The second type of penis pump is the automatic pump. Now these create suction using battery power. They're hands-free, which is a pro. So if you want to text or pipe or watch porn, you could watch porn or knit. Anything you fancy doing with your hands, you can do with the aid of this baby. Now the cons to automatic penis pumps are that they are easy to overpump, which could in the long term damage your penis. So do be mindful of that if you go for an automatic pump. You can use the quick release valve as well. So if you do feel like you've overpumped a tiny bit, press that and it'll release the pressure. And finally, the third type of penis pump available for you is the hydro pump. Now this doesn't use air inside the chamber to create pressure, it uses water instead. Now that water goes inside, you pump, and that creates the vacuum, which the manufacturers say leads to a stronger pressure for increased gains. Now the pros to using a hydro pump is that you can use this in the privacy of your bathroom, you can lock the door, and no one ever needs to know that you're pumping. So in terms of privacy, this is definitely a top one. Cons: they can be a little bit pricey, but sometimes you get what you pay for. A couple of things that a lot of penis pumps have in common is the presence of a quick release valve, so you can release the pressure from inside the chamber quickly and safely, and also some kind of ruler or gauge so that you can track your progress. If you have any questions about anything I've said in this video or any tips or tricks that you want to share, please pop them in the comments box below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to never miss an episode again, you need to hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned, there's another video coming right up after this. But for now, I've been Annabelle Knight and you've been watching the Lovehoney TV channel. Bye.